Dog, take a picture of the two red like that. Hey, take a picture of the two red like that. Tony and Tony. Tony and Tony. Tony and Tony. Take a picture of the two red. Hey, dog, go take a picture of the two red.
All I want them to do is what they doing.
Shut up. Yeah. Hey, look at when he do that make Tony. Hey,
shut up.
Hey, Tony, I already betted you.
You damn right.
Tony, I betted you two too. No, you already got my two.
You got amnesia or something?
He already got my goddamn two. You got my. I gave you two. I gave my two in the car while you sitting in the car. No, two in the car. I gave you two. Hey, Mario. Tony for the red light.
I got this motherfucker hush spot tonight. Y'all used to that bitch talking all that shit on the internet. Look at me. He ain't saying shit tonight.
Hey, dog. Them the two red light kids. Tony and Tony. Look at it. I'm gonna activate you, Tony. So you know, you talk on good out there. Tony on good. Tony, you been a red light, boy. Tony, when you go in that beam, watch you do this. You gonna bend over. Too late. You red light. We're gonna poke his ass. Tony, you gonna red light. Tony, you red light in a minute. Now you scared of James. Don't you say nothing, Tony. Now put your ass in the light.
Don't you turn your motherfucking back on me.
I put your ass in the light.
Don't you turn your goddamn back on me.
Don't
you turn your fucking back on me.
Hey, Tony gonna red light. Tony gonna red light. Tony gonna red light. Tony gonna red light. Tony, put this in your head. Tony gonna red light. 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 Hey, Tony gonna red light.
You got your ass beat
Tony gonna red light. Tony, listen to this. Oh, Tony, you gonna red light. Tony, you gonna red light.
I can back it up, boy. You can't back a motherfucker. Back it up,
I can back it up. I might bet Tony. I might bet Tony. I might bet Tony. I want Tony going hip hop. I want that Tony. I want that Tony going hip hop. I want that Tony going hip hop.
Tony, you had me too much. Bitch, I been had my money up. I been told you I had the $5. Shut up. I told you right there, motherfucker. I said, where you want me to put it at? 5? You say, yeah. How the fuck, bitch, I come out here. Go ahead. For real.
Hey, Mario, Tony gonna red light. Tony gonna red light. Tony gonna red light.
Huh? Oh,
DJ, why Tony red light now? Why Tony red light? David, put that.
Oh, you want this lane?
He got the shot.
This is the lane you want?
I don't know.
This is the lane you want? This is the lane you gonna die in. You ain't gonna know what fucking lane you in when I got that spin your ass around.
Hey, you got crazy. I call my man.
Why you sweating so goddamn much? Why the fuck you goddamn sweating so much? You ain't getting in the fucking car, boy. Calm down,
man. I ain't got nothing to cover the song.
Calm down, boy. What the fuck you sweating like you done hit that? You done hit those fuckers. I can beat you.
But Tony, no. Yeah, hit that knock.
Tony, all you doing is making noise.
Tony, you gonna red light?
You got a slipping transmission.
Tony, you gonna red light, man.
Who built it? You did?
Hey, if Tony red like this, John, you gonna be mad as a mother. You gonna cuss everybody. Hey, get that money, cause I got your money right now. Have my $5,000. Watch, Tony. Have my $5,000.
Talk about a ticket. I got a ticket.
Have my $5,000. I'm gonna red light. You gonna get to me easy.
It's today.
Tony for the red light.
Motherfucking tree.
Tony for the red light. Tony for the red light.
Tony, where you going?
Tony for the red light.
Tony need to go back headed back to Augusta. That was Tony.
Tony used to run
Put that little weak ass shit in your fucking pocket.
That shit bothering him now.
Put that little weak ass shit in your pocket.
I tell you, boy, before they play with me. What happened to him? That bitch was down today. What happened to him? Who you happened to him? What happened to him? What happened to him on the top side? We didn't even see the bitch on top. No, we didn't even see the bitch on top. We didn't even see the bitch on top. Don't tear it up. 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 You see the bitch on top. What you gotta say? Look, you say you're very man. You say you're very man. What you gotta say, Trevor? What you gotta say? What you gotta say? Stop it! I got it. I want the man. I want the man. Trigger man, man. Hey, get used to it. They want you up there for killing them in the world. You went by that bitch from the work. Hey, you got to be fucking around.
I got that money, baby. Hey, hey, turn it right.
Hey, what's that, y'all? Dog, I love my people.
Yes, sir.
I love my people, dog. They with me 100%.
Hey, look at that. Wait, home, look at home.
Right about this big boy.
Goddamn money.
What pat at? What pat? can't find it.
Hey,
Hey, look.